my own home, but I didn't find one. So for temporary, I just shift here.
Mm,
And after that, I had yesterday I had an exam for
mm,
the language test for Danish language module one, and I did this one, that one, and
mm.
now today is kind of free.
How is the Danish language? How do you greet in Danish?
It was quite easy, but
Mm.
I think it gonna be more hard if I go to module 2 because there are 6 module in total. So
Oh,
I just passed the first one. I have to pass 5 more.
oh, yeah. Hey. But Danish, is it that easy or is it hard? Like,
It is kind of hard because they just write one thing, and when they pronounce the language or the word, they
mm,
just cut half of the word, and they just pronunciation is kind of difficult and kind
mm.
of hard.
Oh, so how do you greet in Danish?
How do I? Can you please say
So
again?
how do you greet?
Uh, Great means.
Like to say hello, how do you say
Oh,
hello?
okay. So it's just normal. We just say hi, hello. These are normal.
Oh,
If someone say like to say thank you, then they say tak,
oh,
and if they didn't say welcome or something like that, they just say mang tak, thank you more or not this
oh.
little things. But sometimes when you want to talk to the real Danish people, they
Mm.
just speak too first, and it's kind of hard to get what they're saying.
Oh, yo. Hey. Me, I studied for Mandarin, the Chinese language.
Hmm. Yeah.
So I studied it for about 3 to 4 years. Yeah,
Mm.
it was hard, but I enjoy Chinese language. I even went to China before, so it's
Ah.
hard. So you speaking a Bangladesh language? What is the dialect?
Uh, it's called Bengali. The Bangladeshi language are called Bangla,
Oh,
and Danish language called, yeah, it's Danish. Nothing else. They say Dansk.
oh, right. Yo, eh. Yeah, but see, your accent is a your accent is not like Indian accent, isn't it? You said the Bangladesh, they are you are related to Indians.
We are just neighborhood country, but we are not that much connected because they have another language and we have another one. And whenever they speak in like English, they just
Mm.
kind of they like to do the word lengthy. I don't know how they say, but if someone talk to any Indian person, they can easily get that they are Indian because their
Oh,
accent is kind of difficult when they
it's very
speak in
difficult.
English, especially.
Yeah, I see you. Yeah, but you don't know any languages in Africa. Like, have you ever which language you have you ever heard in Africa?
I never hear about Africa.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
know Africa is a country, but I don't know more than that. And the one thing we know in Bangladesh that in Africa,
Mm,
there the people are not safe because
eh,
there are some robbers and some people they just stolen everyone.
in Bangladesh, there are no robbers.
Yeah, we have, but not in the public place that
Oh,
they gonna put gun and they're gonna rob you. Not like that. They're
ah,
just gonna take it and they're just gonna run away. That's
Ah,
nothing more than that.
it's nice in Bangladesh. Hey, here it's very difficult. You see, if you're going out now, especially in towns,
Yeah.
you you if someone is greeting you, hey, you like, why are you greeting me? You want to rob me or what? Yeah, so
Yeah.
you don't greet people on the streets because maybe they'll rob you.
Mm.
The crime is high this side, yo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Eh, so the last lesson, did you went through it, or maybe what
I
did you?
check it. I checked that, and I was trying to do some kind of thing, but
Mm,
there is
no.
a little confusion. I
Mm,
got that if I can do the whole one, then why I should do the small one? Is it a part of the my working, or it should be that it was working like that? I'm
mm.
a little bit confused about that.
So you asking if are you gonna use it maybe for work or what?
No, actually, I was doing because we have a whole chart, right?
Mm,
So in the down, we just divided them into like section, and we do our work. We just created new visual, new kind of chart. So
mm.
this is the way we have to work, or this is just you show me to learn.
Oh, this is the way you're gonna work, or like this is actually the
Oh,
real.
okay. Yeah,
Yeah,
you should.
yeah. If you want me to do more example about the charts, you can let me know before we can start the new chart.
Yeah, we can continue easy one, just for a quick view, then we can move.
All right, okay.
Yeah.
Let me pull up this one. Yeah, okay. Do, do, do.
How about the Python class? Is there progressing?
Yeah, hey, Python class, the students are really like catching it. I have one friend, one guy from is from Bangladesh, but he is currently in Dubai, and,
Yeah.
and also there's another one from USA, and the other one also is from Egypt, and the other one is from Nigeria. So they are really catching up. I think now we've done four classes now.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah, it's four classes. So they are really catching up. Let's see this one.
So we will also learn the Power BI.
Yeah, Power BI, you learn it, but Power BI, maybe I'll have to charge you guys because the Power BI is very in demand. So,
Yeah, because here, as I was searching that what they're demanding for a job, what
mm,
is the what skill they want. So there was one is Telugu, and the other
mm.
one is Power BI. They are asking for if someone do this kind of work, then they can apply.
Oh, see, Power BI, if you know Power BI or Tableau,
Yeah.
Tableau is the same is the same as the Power BI. So if you have Tableau, you can apply for the job. Or if you have Tableau and the job maybe is looking for Power BI, they can also consider you for it. And also, what I wanted to talk to you about is that you must do a portfolio. You know a portfolio.
Yeah.
You must try and do a portfolio for.
Yeah, before I try to make one portfolio for myself, but
Mm,
It turned out so bad. I
Oh.
just removed that one.
Was it a portfolio website or what?
Portfolio about myself, and there was a project in my like the assignment, one kind of assignment classwork from my university. I forgot about the topic, but they give us to make a portfolio about that one, so we just do it in the class and that's it. They didn't tell us to do more about that. They just said that we will see it in the future in our course, then we just leave it. We are just focusing that time in our work.
Okay. Hey, but you said this year you're gonna finish.
Not this one, after this one, the next year.
Okay, yeah, yeah. So you see here, this is my portfolio. I created it. So this is my portfolio here. I have published it. Let me show. Mhm. So this is my a portfolio. It's like a personal website. Like this is my name,
Yeah.
and then it's explaining data analyst skill in Power BI, tab,
Mm-hmm.
Python, Advanced Excel, SharePoint. You can put all your skills here, and then it's also you can click here. It will take you to a GitHub. You know GitHub.
Yeah.
Yeah, it will take you to GitHub, and then this is my YouTube channel. You can click here. It's for my project as well. Like sometimes when we're having a meeting with the client, uh,
Mm.
yeah, and also for my lessons. Some of the lessons I put them there because since you are in tech as well, you need to also maybe try to find people to teach. The more you teach someone, the more something you know it's better. And also other employers, they ask you on the interview, do you have an experience in explaining something to someone that is non-technical? Then you can say yeah. Then they'll say, where is the evidence? Then you can say yeah. They are the classes that I have conducted. These are the classes I've conducted. Then they can see the classes. Then they can say, okay, so you have that skill. So which means we can be able to explain something that is technical to someone that is not technical.
Yeah.
So you see, these are the projects I did for Power. This is for Power BI, Tableau.
So
Yeah,
in Africa, are you working in a company?
yeah, I do work in a company. Yeah, it's for the data analyst. We are analyzing data from different actually from different companies like retailers, uh, food, clothing, from different. It's like a tech company actually, but I'm not
Yeah.
working there full time. I'm part time. Part time. So me, I'm actually working for more. Especially, I work for myself. I do more projects.
That's nice.
Yeah,
So you can also apply here in Denmark.
I can apply in Denmark.
Yeah.
Or you can find me a job that side.
Okay, you find a job, then as your junior, you hire me. That's the easiest way to find a job.
That's
Because
why.
you have experience, you can get easily, and you can hire me as your assistant or as your junior, so I can learn from you. Also get a good job.
Yeah, you. Yeah, okay, so yeah, that is how you do your portfolio, but you need to know how to to code and stuff, but it's easy to to do a portfolio. If you want to do your portfolio one day, I can teach you. It's very easy.
Yeah,
So
sure.
yeah, it's very easy. So yeah, uh, okay. Now this is the like a simple table here. It's for the students. Like the student, it's a test, assignment, exam, or semester. So, okay, so what we'll do is we can highlight this table and then we we say insert and then you say pivot table, then you say from table range, then we will choose existing worksheets because we want to display it here. So I'll click anywhere, then I'll say okay. So now I want to compare students and their exams, and also yeah, let's do it like this. And then so I'll click here and then I'll change this one. I'll say
I tried to do something like this and I was just mixing up the rows and columns and it was looking so ugly that I turned it off.
oh. So are you using your laptop today or you not?
Yeah, yeah, I'm using my laptop today, that's why I can see it properly.
Oh, I'll send you this data set, and then you'll try to do it. You'll share the screen with me.
Yeah.
Eh, Okay. So okay, now let's try to review another one. We'll say we'll say Control A, then we'll say Insert Table,
Pivot table, from table range,
and say
existing worksheet.
and then I'll click here. So now we want to compare students and their assignments.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then
Mm.
so you can also change. You see, I clicked on the first one. Let's remove this grand total. If you don't want it, you
Yeah.
can come here. Uh,
Pivot analyze.
yeah. And you're still feeling sleep.
Yeah, because before like 3 weeks, I
Eh,
was waking up in the morning and then I go for my language class and then
eh,
I come back, I do my household chores and then I go to my work. And
yo,
also, as I change my home, so I just take off from my work. But still, I had the exam of the language test. That's why I
yo.
was focusing a little bit on that one.
Alright. Okay. Yeah. So we can come to design and then you will say those headers. And, okay, let's see if it's gonna work. Brand total, subtotals. So it's a grand total. Okay, let me start afresh. So we will just click here and then we'll go to design,
Yeah.
then say grand total and say oof, no, So you click the off pause alarm. If you want to turn it on, you can click on. So just like here as well, you can click set design,
Design,
then say
grand totals
and,
of the raw coin. Okay.
so let's say we want to visualize this one now. So we will say we'll click again.
So I wanted to just remove one of the middle row. So can I do that one?
If you want to what?
I want to remove one of the middle raw information, like here
Like
in the
this.
middle. Yeah, yeah. I want to remove that one. So can I do that one also?
Yeah, you can just
Like this?
click here
Yeah.
and then you can right click and then you can say delete.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can say delete.
Um,
Or you can hide. You can say hide.
yeah, got it.
So if you want to,
Undo.
yeah, you want to come back to it, you see now, since I hide it, they are two. Okay, if you
Arrow.
notice, yes, you can hear me.
Yeah, yeah. I can hear you.
So since you see now, I put a star here. If I
Yeah.
put a star, it's only dark. But if I put it here where I've hide the column, you see now there's dark and then it's also some like a line. The lines are separated or they are split.
Yeah.
So I can just say right click and then I'll say unhide.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so I can as well click again. So when I click again, this table shows up and then I'll say pivot table analyze and then I'll okay, let's see. I'll say pivot chart. Then you can choose whether I want to use this one, want to use this one, or pie. Let's use a pie chart.
Okay.
So a pie chart is like this. Up to you. You can make it smaller.
Is it mandatory to show an pie chart?
Is it what?
It is mandatory. Is it essential to show a pie chart?
Yeah, pie charts. It's an easiest way to analyze data. Since you are if you're using a table, yeah, uh, especially if your table is a how is it? Let's say maybe your
Very
table
big and messy.
is very big or it's long. Let's say maybe as 100, then it's essential to use a pie chart.
Yeah.
So you can say you can click here and you say data label. So you see now it is labeling. Okay, let me see the legends. Okay, so what is happening is okay. Let me change the style. So when you're changing the style, you change here on this painting. Then you can change this style. You see now it's this one is clear, or you can choose this one, or you can choose this one, or you can choose any of these styles, or you can choose the original one. And also, so you can even make you change the color manually. So okay, so let's just come then say Okay, let me use this one. Even though it's not clear, but let me use this one. So you can say, okay, you can even edit here and say students. Yeah, and then you can also click again here, and then you can say pivot table analyze, and then you can say you can even you can come here as well for recommended tables, but this one I like it. You can say pivot chart, and then let me choose this one. Okay, for this one we'll choose this one, and then you make it like this.
Is it possible that I can show like two different chart for one table?
Yeah, it's possible. Yeah, possible. So say labels, uh, yeah, and then say color. Yeah, this one is nice. Uh, then you can see, okay, so this one we'll call it assignment. Yeah. Okay, so now you can analyze here now. Now you know, okay, Kosikhona is a blue one. Oh, he got 30. Siyabonga Israel, he got 30. Sianda, he got 25. So this is the best way to analyze your data. Eh, so here as well. Okay, so this one, do you understand it?
Yeah.
All right. So let me send you this data set, and then maybe you can try maybe create a pivot table, and maybe try to create a chart, just a simple chart. Is that fine?
Yeah. Should I make it now or later as
Yeah,
a homework?
you can do it now while I'm live. Uh,
Mhm.
okay, let me send you. Sorry, just give me 2 minutes just now.
Yeah, sure, sure. Take good time.
Okay, so yeah, uh, let me send you this. Okay. Can you remind me your email?
Yeah, sure.
Can you spell it for me?
N
Uh,
U
you.
S
Oh, I
R.
see it. I see it now. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, then I say document. Uh, okay, I think it's there now. Yeah, sent.
Okay, I just check.
You tell me when you have received it.
Yeah, it's now here.
Okay. You can share the screen with me and when you are on Excel.
Yeah. This PC. So,
Can you see it?
can you see it? Because I was trying to share.
No, not yet.
Maybe now you can see it.
Okay.
Can you see?
Yeah, I can see it now.
Okay. Uh, so if I click here and do
Okay.
insert,
Yeah, okay. The first thing you need to do is highlight your table. Oh, you say enable editing. Go to enable editing.
yeah,
Yeah. Then you can highlight your table. Say Control A. Yeah. Then go to insert. Yeah,
pivot table.
yeah, yeah. Eh, eh. then click anywhere, click anywhere. Oh, okay. So it's just cancel that one, and, and then click OK, click OK. No, don't remove that one. Click OK. Okay, cancel again. Just cancel everything.
Okay.
Start afresh. Click anywhere. Yeah,
Okay.
click again on your table. No, you cancel that one. Click on your
So
table. Say Control A.
the
Uh,
whole one was selected.
on your table inside.
Okay.
Yeah, then say yeah, then say pivot table,
Pivot table.
and then go to existing worksheet.
Existing worksheet.
Yeah, then click anywhere. Yeah, then say okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
So now you can click that.
Student
Okay.
assignment.
So you click a student first.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So up to you which one. Okay, start with that one. Then you can say you can just click anywhere on the spreadsheet, and then or you want to remove that grand total.
No, it's okay.
It's okay. Okay, then put the one for student and exam. So you will have to go to table again.
So so if I want to create a new one, new table for student.
Yeah, you have to
Okay.
do it again. Yeah.
So inside pivot table, existing worksheet.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then
Yes.
student.
Then
And which one should I?
exam.
Okay. Exam.
Yeah. Then you can click anywhere. Yeah. So let's say you want to maybe create a chart. Okay, go to row labels and then change that name there. Yeah,
Labels.
it just
Should I
click it.
change it here?
Yeah, yeah, change it there.
Student.
Yeah,
Huh?
yeah, yeah. Uh, do you want to remove that filter? That filter. Do you see?
Which one?
Do you see the arrow that is pointing down near student name?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to remove it?
Yeah. So clear
Click,
content.
click there on your table. Click on your table. The one for student name. Yeah. Then go to data. Go there on your ribbon and go to data.
Where it was.
There on the top, you see
Oh
this.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, there on the top. No, 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 there, like there on the top, you see where there is insert, draw.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they
Insert. Okay.
go to data, there's data there.
Data.
Yeah, then uh, if you know, click your table again. Uh, okay. Oh, just highlight your column. Just highlight that column. From student. No, no, from. Oh yeah, from student to not like that. Not like that. Just highlight it like scroll down. Say students to grand total.
Mm-hmm.
Put your arrow on your student name,
Yeah.
and then highlights down. And not like that. Say just click another cell again
Here or in the down?
down anyway. Just yeah. Then go back to the student name, and then just highlight. Just press right click, and then no, sorry, press left click. Yeah, left click. Yeah, press it. Don't remove your finger. No, don't remove your finger. Just press it and go down. Or you know what? Just click student name, and
It's showing like that.
no, just press enter. Just press enter. Yeah. And then don't click anything. Just press it.
Yeah.
Remove the table. You see, there's this thing that is showing up there. Just press any cell and then press it there. No, not like that. Yeah. No, you mustn't right click.
I am giving the right click because maybe I am using my touching pad, that's why.
Okay. Okay, so just press the student name and don't press anything. Just leave your yeah like that. Then say shift and then press the say shift. Are you pressing shift
Yeah.
on your keyboard? Then press the button. There is a pointing down. You see the button that is pointing down
Mm,
on your
yeah.
keyboard. Yeah, just press. Don't remove your shift. Don't remove your shift.
Ah, it was gone.
Okay, let me show you. Give me the screen. Give me the screen. I'll show you.
Mm-mm. So should I stop sharing?
Yeah, stop sharing. Then I'll show you. So, yeah, share. Okay, so uh, yeah, so you see I've clicked here, and then
Yes.
I will go to data, go to data. Okay, so what's happening is that I will just highlight like this, you see?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, or I click, just click, and then you say shift, and then you will press the I didn't remove my finger on shift, and then I'll press down. You see, it's highlighting.
Mm,
Yeah. Okay, so
got
let me see if I can.
it.
Okay, maybe the filters will do it on another time. Let me not confuse you. I think maybe I'm confusing you now. Let's not do the filters because the filters as well are part of data analysis. So let's continue with what we were doing. Uh, let me give you the screen and you continue there. Yeah. Okay, you can share the screen with me again.
You can see now. Yeah.
Yeah, I can
Right.
see. Okay, so
This.
yeah,
Oh, sorry.
uh, yeah, like this. Yeah, I wanted you to highlight like this. But yeah,
Okay.
but
Because as I know this one is the select one. If you just say me that select only the student name, then I can just do this one. I was a little bit confused.
oh, I see, I see.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's leave the filters for today. We'll do it on another lesson. So just click your table there. Click the table.
Okay.
No, not that one. This.
Okay, and the one.
Okay, just now show student and the test. Create another table for student and test.
Okay. So yes,
You forgotten the cancel again.
cannot cannot I do it like this one, or I have to always select the whole table?
Uh, okay, try and do existing worksheets and see what's happening.
It's
Yes.
done. Student
Mhm.
test.
Yeah. Okay. So now go to now create like create visualizations for these tables. Starts on the first one, or you can edit and maybe try to edit your table.
Mm,
Try and change your student name there on you see there's a row label. There's a row
can I
label.
do it from here?
Not there.
So how can I change the name? Or
You go to row label on your first table. No, not that one. Yeah, that's one. Go to row label and then change the name there. And then change the that one as well. No, not that one. No, not that one. Change the on the that table.
oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Right.
Then okay, go to your first table. Yeah, and then you see now. You notice this when you click on the empty cell. Click on the empty cell. See, when you're clicking on the empty cell, there is no pivot table analyzed on the top. Click on the table and see. See now it's showing up.
This one?
No, there on the top near help. There on
Near?
the top, you see inserts on the top.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you see there on the last one, the pivot table analyze.
Yes.
Yeah, try to, yeah, try to click the empty cell and see that it won't show up. Click the empty cell.
Empty cell down here.
Yeah, it's not showing up. You see,
Yeah.
click the table again. Now it's showing up. So go to pivot table analyze and then choose your pivot table, pivot chart. Go to pivot chart on the corner there underneath your pivot table analyze. They on the right.
There.
Yeah, that's one. Choose a choose the visualization you like. Oh, you like 3D.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
This one
Then
is
you can say okay. You can click okay.
okay.
You can minimize it. Yeah.
Oh,
Oh. Yeah, up to you how. Yeah, yeah. Then you can go to the star if you want. Go to the star.
star.
The one you see your chart. Go
Yeah.
to, there's a star there on the corner on the top. There's you see this.
Plus.
Yeah, that's one. Then say data labels. Yeah, you see it is showing the marks now. Yeah, so you can show the marks. If you want to also go to X cycles. Go to X cycles. This is showing. This is where you can write your. If you want to write maybe your X cycles, but there's no need. I will just leave it like this.
Okay.
Then change the total. Go to total.
Total.
Inside your chart, not that one, the top one. Yeah, that's one. Then you can, yeah, you can change and say students versus assignment. Yeah, then you can click anywhere. Yeah, try to create the visualization for the second table as well.
Sorry.
Okay.
So yeah. Let's see. Total values. Then this one.
I see
So
now. You are very good.
is it okay?
Yeah, it's nice now. You can also show the other one, the dead one. See now, when your manager is saying, "Can you can you analyze my table here on Excel?" This is how you can visualize it. Or you say, "Create a graph for me."
I'm trying to uh, do different things.
So I try different things. Yeah,
Maybe this one not so good.
you can just right click and cut. Yeah, yeah. You see, there is even the one that is called a bar there. It's also different. Try
Yeah.
try use this one. Try use the one with the bar.
Okay.
Bar. Yeah, I'll see. It's also nice. That's one.
Chat. Let's start this one. Why they are showing they all are total full.
You can choose the different one. That one is making them as if they are all looking equal.
This was not showing like this one is the correct one
Yeah,
because all the lines are same, all the things are looking like same. So
it's
how can someone
yeah. See, those ones are.
think the visualization?
Yeah, they can't. Yes, see. Yeah, that's nice. Now you're a data analyst in Excel now.
Yeah. Just let's type my data level.
Yeah. So try to use also the one for axis cycles.
So how can I write in the axis title?
Okay, go to axis cycle, the one in the bottom. Yeah, right. Erase that's one that cycle and write a marks, right marks, and then go to the other one. Click that one.
Yeah, name.
Yeah, I see now. That's one. Yeah. So this is
Okay.
how you can use this one. So you can click anywhere if you want, or you can just stretch it to see your names are not showing all of them. Just stretch it to the right.
Yeah.
No, stretch your, just stretch it. No, not the other side, the other side. Oh, but it's
Okay.
fine. Yeah, it's okay now. Yeah, yeah. So it's look. Oh, you can also go to design there on the top. You can see now the designs you can choose the, yeah, well, you can choose different designs. See how they're looking nice now.
Yeah.
You can even choose, go to the, click the arrow that is, you see the dark visualization there, the dark design. Yeah,
This
click
one.
the that button that is on the, that is the on the right. That is
This
pointing.
one.
Yeah, click that one. You
So
see,
there are more.
there are more. Yeah, you can choose. Yeah. So you can choose any of them if you want. So this one is a, you like this one?
Because it was showing the like everything was pointing. I can see 10, 15, 20 clearly, and it
You
was a clear vision, so I will go with this one.
you can change the design as well on the others if you like.
Yeah, because that was it, kind of eye catching.
Yeah, yeah.
This one.
You can change the design on the other, like a chart on the other tables as well if you like. See, it's nice.
Mm,
This one is really, really nice.
3 different.
Yeah, I think you can try to maximize it, but it's fine. Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah,
Yeah, you're happy now.
happy, happy.
You can even make it as a 3D if you like. Go to your, go to the other one, the third one, the third visualization.
This one.
No, the visualization, the chart, and
Yep.
then go to a format. Go to format.
Formula comment.
You see near design there on the top. Yeah. Then say, then go to shape effects. You see the under view. Yeah. Then try to, yeah, click. You see that one. Go to the one that is the second. Go to the bottom. Go to, you see present.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that one. Click that one. So it will be more nice if you're using the blue. Go to the blue visualization, the other one on the first table.
Okay. So this one. Effect shape. Glow.
Yeah, you can even put a glow. You see, it's glowing now. Yeah. You can choose. You can even edit the other visualization.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Right? Yeah. Now you are excelling now.
This one. We try this one.
You can even put a shade.
In a shadow.
Yeah.
But this is not affecting shadow.
You see there are shadows. Yeah.
Yeah,
See
but not that much visible.
that. Try to show the. Yeah. Yeah. I. Yeah. You happy now? So
Yeah. At
this.
least I have learned something new.
So yeah, this is how you can visualize your data.
Yeah.
So this is actually a basic. If they say to you, do you know how to if they're interviewing you about Excel, they are
Yeah.
expecting you to know pivot tables, to know how to create charts and the graphs, all the visualization. Because if you're working in finance, You need to know how
Yeah.
to do these things. If you are working in a management, you need to know how to. This is actually basic data analysis in Excel.
Okay.
Yeah, so before you can go to Python and do graphs in Python, you need to know how to do graphs here in Excel. Yeah, that is why I started you on Excel, so that when you go there, you won't be confused. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So you tell me, do you want me to start another lesson, or maybe we can do it another time?
I would like to do another lesson.
Oh, or if you want me to start another lesson, okay. Okay, give me the screen that side. You can stop sharing.
Sure. So I was a little bit confused about the time. Saturday is good because Saturday is a free day,
So,
and the other day I was a little bit confused because as we choose from 1 to 2. No, I think it's okay.
oh,
Maybe sometimes we can start 1:15.
mm, okay, no, it's fine. It's fine. So you want me to start on 1:15?
That would be better. Not now. After 9th of August.
All right, okay.
And I would like to take homework because if you give me some home project and something to do at home, then
Mm.
I will do that in home and I can remember more and I can practice. But if I was not pushed by someone that you have to do this one, then I was just relaxing.
All right, so no, it's fine. I'll give you the homework. Okay. So today we're gonna be starting what is called a VLOOKUP. So this is called a VLOOKUP.
This is also in Excel.
Yeah, it's Excel. Yeah. So this is part of uh, this is also part of your. If they ask you like in the interview, they ask you, do you know the pivot tables? Do you know how to use charts? Do you know how to use VLOOKUP? Do you know how to use HLOOKUP? Do you know how to use a XLOOKUP? So they
So
expect
how many lookup we have in Excel?
we have we have VLOOKUP. Up. We also H have XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP is very flexible. VLOOKUP is not flexible, and this one also is not flexible. Will
So we are doing VLOOKUP. Why don't we are doing XLOOKUP?
No, we'll do VLOOKUP now. Another lesson we'll do HLOOKUP. We will do
Everything.
you'll do all of them, yeah. I don't want to just give you all at once because it's gonna confuse you. So
Yeah.
you do everything about VLOOKUP. I'll give you the homework, and then you will do the other ones as well.
So I have a question that
Mm,
is there any difference between VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, and XLOOKUP, and what are
yeah,
the different? Why we are using three different types of lookup?
yeah. So you will see it's more when I will be doing the combination, but just a quick review. The VLOOKUP is you are looking up. That is why it's saying it's a V. So you are looking your data in a form of a V shape, and then the H lookup, you are looking at your data in a form of an H, like like this, age, and then you do like this. So it's like it's a parallel. You're looking at the data in a parallel way. But if you're looking at if you're using X lookup, you're looking at the data like this, like and then like this. Yeah, but you'll see what I'm talking about. Let me show you the VLOOKUP and then you'll see. But the V is a shape. This is a shape in which you are looking at the data. So V, X, H is the shape. So it is a shape. But
Okay.
you'll understand it when I'm showing the combination of all of them. Okay, so the first step here is click here. So what we want to do, okay, this in this data we have name, customer, profession. So this is a sales department. They have given you are a data analyst, or you are a, maybe since you are in a computer science, they have employed you. They expecting you to know Excel, because if you saying you have a computer science skills, then you sure you need to know everything about Excel. You need to know Excel actually in an advanced level. So they'll say, Ish, eh, the sales department will call you and say, Ish, I have this name, customer, profession. I don't want to keep on saying, okay, sit, and then I'll come here, and then I'll say, okay, oh, it's a keyboard manage, and then I'll click, and then I'll be typing keyboard. It will take me a lot of time. What is the quickest way
Yes.
I can do? You know, let's let's say the names are keep
The
on.
quickest way we can do is copy paste.
Let's say now the rows. You see the rows now.
Yeah.
Uh, they are how many? They are seven. You see the count here. They are seven. Okay. Now let's say now the rows now are going to be like 3,000. They are going. How you gonna go? You gonna do copy and paste, copy and paste. Hey, your boss will fire you and say, hey, you are taking, wasting a lot of time. So what you need to do is, and you're gonna make a lot of mistakes if you keep on copying and pasting. That is actually the person that is working on sales that will be doing that. But you, as a technician, as a computer science person, you need to come up with something that will make their life more easy. And that's the reason for you to study computer science. Yeah. So, like in this case, you will just click here,
Yeah.
and then you come here. You see there is insert function here.
Yeah.
Say insert function. Then you will erase this thing here. Then you say v v search here. Even if you don't finish, you just search, it will show. So what I
Yeah.
did is I said v, even if it don't finish, you say go, then it will
Mm.
show. Then I click it. Now this table will show. Remember, remember that you see here as this table is showing up, it is showing like this here. So it's saying a lookup value. What is a lookup value? A, a lookup value is a value to be found in the first column of the table. So this is the table that we want to look up. So we want to compare the name and fill it up with the customer profession, which is this table here. which is the professional. We want we want Excel to say, okay, if there is a seat, if there is this seat, then you must give me a keyboard manager. If there is a Uhura, then you must give me manager of mischief. So we don't want to keep on typing here. So we will say lookup value. The lookup value is the value to be found in the first column of the table, which is this first column of the table. So
Yeah.
you just click here. You click any of these, or you can even click all of them like this. But let me just click only one. So if you click only one, you see it is changing here, saying B4, which is B4. Then you come again, you click here. Then you have a table array. It's a table array saying a table array is a table of text, numbers, logical values in which data is retrieved. So a table array is always the second table on which you want to compare with, which is this one. You will just highlight this table. So you've highlighted, you see the 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 formulas are showing here. Then you click on this one. So as you are changing the this formula is increasing here. So you say column index number. Okay, column index number is the is the column number in a table array from which the matching value should be returned. So this is a the table in which you want to to get an answer from. You need to do a column index number. So you need to count. See, 1, 2, 3. So what is a column index number? A column index number is the number of columns. So this is number 1, this is number 2, number 3. So which table do you want to get an answer from? I want to get an answer from the table number 3. So this is the column index number 3.
So if there is a table that has index number more than 15, like say
Yeah.
like 50, so
Mm,
how can I count that this table number or index number is, let's say we are searching for 37.
mm, yeah.
So how can we do it directly without counting or without showing the proper thing?
Eh, yeah, you will. You first highlight all your table like we highlighted here, and then you just put your 37 here. If you want to search for now, it's a column.
Let's say I just know the column name. The column name is like, let's say salary. The column name is salary, and I don't know which number is the column is staying.
Oh,
So how
oh,
can I?
how can you know?
Yeah.
Okay, so you will have to count. You count your columns here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, so I have to count.
Sorry? Yeah, you
So
have
I
to
have
count.
to count.
Yeah, you have to count.
Okay.
Yeah,
So if there is more than 1,000, then it's also I have to count all of them.
you can just do like this. You can just do like this. Yeah, you can just. That one is gonna confuse you. I'll show you when you are doing data cleaning. But I know what you're trying to say. It's gonna confuse you because there is a certain method I need to use so that I can do this. Like for example, okay, let me just show you. Like for example, you can say Control H. So Control H will give you this a table here. So you say find and replace. I want to find a name. You're saying you know the name. So let's say I want
Because if I work with this one, then either I have to know the number or the name.
yeah. So you can just use this one. You can say find, then find what? Custom, profession, say find all. So say, oh, okay. Uh, sorry. Okay, let me just undo. Okay. So you say Control H, find. So if you say find all, see now, if I just
Mhm.
find all, it's showing me, it's even indicating here that this is a day it is. Then uh, you can quickly see here like okay, A B C. So customer profession is under column C. So alphabet C is which number? A B C is 3, isn't it? Do you see what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
Yeah. Or okay, yeah. It's or you can see here. You can see the name box here. It is saying
Mhm.
P3. So C is alphabet number 3. If it is F, then you're gonna say A B C D E F, which is number 6. So it's column number 6.
Yeah.
So the columns are indicated in a form of alphabet. You understand? Let me try to show this one. Let me see. So I say find all. So you see already it is indicating here. Now I know the that name is under a it's under B number it's B3. So B is a AB. So AB is number 2. So B alphabet B is number 2. So you see, it's a little bit complicated, but you need to convert your alphabet to the numbers. If your column is in column number M, then you need to count A B C D E F G H I J K L M. Then you know okay, M is alphabet number this. So you know this column is number this column. Are you getting it? But you don't worry about it. We'll get into all those things when you're doing advanced Excel.
Mhm.
Okay, we said we click here, then we say we click insert function, and then we erase, we say V, then we say go, then to show, then we say okay, and then we said we have a lookup value. Lookup value is the value you want to compare, and we said is the value to be found in the first column. So it's always found on the first column on the table you want to compare. So we say we click any of the cell, and then you say table array is the table you want to compare. This is the table I want to compare. Column index is the column number. So say 1, 2, 3.
Mhm. Yeah.
Okay. So I will say Oh, sorry.
So
So
what is range lookup?
or range lookup, it is a logical value to find the closest match in the first column. Okay, basically, uh, you can choose whether you want your VLOOKUP to compare at an exact, how can I put it, to return the answer in an exact manner. Like, okay, if I have seed here, then it must return to me a exactly keyboard. It mustn't give me an answer that is close to this one. But you will see it when we're doing another example. I'll show you on another example. You see there it's approximate here. There is exact and approximate. So let me show you exact. Exact, you use false. So I want my VLOOKUP to give me exactly keyboard manager. Where there is Uhura, I want it to give me exactly manager of mischief, not the closest, but something exact. So if you're saying exact, they say here find an exact match. So you have to put false is equal to false. So then I put false here. So then I'll say, okay, you see, it is exact. See, it is keyboard manage. See, then let me do, you can just do like this, the other one. So,
I,
Uhura,
they're
yeah,
doing it by themselves.
yeah, it's just doing themselves, yeah. So now, what's happened here? Let's see. So you can just, if it is giving you a problem, you can just say,
We didn't select the first one also.
uh,
Move this Danny in the table.
oh no, there's no need. There's no. Okay, let me just do like this. Okay, so this is what is showing up. Then you click it. Then it will show like this. Now you just drag here. It is showing like this. Then you have to, if it's showing like this, you need to put a, you go to your, you see the button that are on the top of your keyboard there.
Yeah.
Is this one which is called F4. You just click F4, then you go to this one F3 on the formula here. Then you say F, change into dollar.
Mm,
Then you click it like this, and then you drag it again. If you drag it, it's changing, but there is something wrong on this. Let me start it again. Start it again. Okay, so I said function lookup, then I can just highlight all of them. Okay, let me highlight all of them now. Then I'll say table array, or I can just highlight here. Table array, column index is number 3. Then you say, you see, now automatically, uh, this name is director of debugging. Uhura is manager of mischief. You see, it's just doing it by itself. Do you get it?
mm, I'm a little bit confused.
Okay, let me start again.
Maybe we can do with a new one. The need to be new easy.
With the what? With the what?
With new table, like we look up name and another one also.
Uh, maybe with another
We
example.
can change. We can change the name. Then we can try.
Oh, okay. Like maybe West and Cope.
Yeah.
Okay. So let me just say. Okay, so we will just click here. Always you click on the empty box. Then you say function. Then I say, then I click OK. Then I say, then I will just highlight all of them. Because remember, the VLOOKUP is always the first column. The lookup value is always the first column that you want to compare with. In table array, I can just highlight everything here.
Mm.
Column index, I want to return this one, so it's number 3. Then I want it to be an exact match. So
If we
already,
wanted to highlight the table, whole table, like table array, then I just have to select the whole table, or I have to select and copy paste something like that.
you the table array, you need to highlight
Yeah.
a yeah, you need to highlight the whole table, yeah. Or if you
And
know the
why we are writing here like range lookup false? Why don't we are writing it true?
oh, false is for an exact match. So which means it will give you if you're saying copper, it must give me
Yeah.
exactly head of procrastination. It won't give me maybe code wizard. So we want it to be exact match. Everything must it must be. You see, there is what uh, okay. You see, there is in this name there is off here, head of procrastination. Then there is
Yeah.
head of mass operation. So if you're saying true, it will just pick. It won't give you an exact match. It will just pick the one that is similar, like head of.
Okay.
It will just take any of them. It will maybe take head of mass operation. You know. But if you're saying exact match, you're saying
Oh, here is written that if you want to find a match, first column sorted access in order, true
mm,
or omitted. That means they will give me the similar one, not the exact one, but the
yeah,
similar one like that. And if I write the false one, they're gonna provide me the exact one.
yeah.
Yeah, got it.
That's great. Yeah, okay. So now we can say, okay. So you can see copper is the head of procrastination, west is the head of mass operation, then this name is the director of debugging. So this is an exact match. Yeah, now you got this one.
Mm,
You understanding this one now.
yeah.
So now uh, we have to, let's say maybe you have this table, but you want to match it with the table from another another worksheet. So this is another worksheet, but you want to compare it with this table here. Here, this table was on the same place with this table, but now we want to compare with another table. So we'll say we'll just click here and then say function, then we'll go to our VLOOKUP. If you have been always using VLOOKUP, it will show in the first place here. So you can just click it here. And then you will say, you do the same thing that you did on the other side. So just hide.
Just select the first one,
Yeah, select the first.
then keep the number.
Then you go to the other worksheets. Then you highlight again like I did on the other one.
Mm.
Then it's saying column index. You're still gonna be counting 1, 2, 3. So the column index.
2.
Yeah, you see now you got it. You see already it is showing the number, which means you are going
Mm.
the right track. You know. So since it's still the exact
False.
match, yeah, the table is still saying we must do an exact match. That is an instruction. So it's gonna be which one? Is it true or false? Is it gonna be true or false?
False, because number is a sensitive thing. If we write it true, then it's gonna mix up.
Okay, that's great. Okay, let's see. Okay, now these are our numbers now. So for
Yeah.
this one is 312. You see, 312. For a Pepone is 602. 602. For Uhura is 206. 206. See? Yeah. You happy about this one?
Mm-hmm.
For approximate now. There is approximate now. Approximate now, okay, we have our table here. This is the name, this is the score, and this is the grade. Okay. Okay, let me close the door there. There's a noise coming. Okay, so okay, now approximate you still now you want to view the grade now. Okay, here they're saying the range is if someone is scoring between 0 and 54, then the grade should be E. So if someone is scoring 55 to 69, then it should be D, and so forth. So let's say here, if it's 26, then it's between 0 and 54, then the score should be E, the grade I mean. If it is 89, 89 is here, then the grade should be B. So do you understand this one?
Yeah.
Okay. So we will say, we'll click here, and then we'll click our VLOOKUP. This one you can also use it, you can also do it even on XLOOKUP, but since today we are doing a VLOOKUP, I'll show you on the
Yeah.
VLOOKUP. So I'll just say okay, and then I'll say you'll highlight this one. This is the one we want to. So we no longer using the numbers, the names.
Name.
Use the score. So we will say Here now there is a tricky part. The table array will only be score and grade. Now, then
Hmm.
the column
So
index.
why we are not giving the range? Because if
eh,
we are giving the range, it will be not that much easier for grading.
The range you'll only use it on the X lookup. You will see it on the X lookup. That is the way you can use the range. The V lookup won't be able to read this thing. This one,
Oh, okay.
yeah, I won't be able to read it.
So XLOOKUP is updated version of VLOOKUP.
Yeah, it's a new. Actually, X lookup is a combination of X lookup and the V lookup.
Okay.
Yeah, it is an advanced one. It's better to use XLOOKUP. Maybe if you use the XLOOKUP and you know it's better, you don't need to, you won't like VLOOKUP. So, but you need to know all of them. If you are in the interview, you will pass an interview, you say, yes, I know VLOOKUP, I know HLOOKUP, I know XLOOKUP. Then they will give you an assessment. Then they will give you a problem. They say, use a VLOOKUP to solve this problem. You need to know how to solve it. Okay, so there is okay, then we need to have a column index number. Column index number is number 3. So is number 3. Is number 2. You remember that the table array, it was both of these tables. It was this one. Okay. So from these two tables, we want to return the grade. This is the answer. We want to return the grade. So grade is column number, which number is column number 2 from this table range is number.
Yeah.
So it will be, you see already E is showing. You see,
Mhm.
then there comes your,
False.
yeah, now we remember now. We are approximate match now. It's no longer
Okay.
exact match. Yeah. So we'll say
It's
true.
true or omitted.
Yeah, it will be true. See, it's showing up like this now. So 26 is between 0 and 50. And then 82 is B because it's between 80 and 89. Do you see it now? So A 99 is between 90 and 100, which means it's A 16 and so forth. Do you understand this one or want me to do it again?
No, no, I am understanding. It's easy.
Alright.
This is the grading range. So if it's inside the range, then it is the grade. And
Yeah,
this is correct.
yeah, that's great. Yeah. So now we need to see. Okay, the another principle you need to know is uh, make sure before you use a VLOOKUP that your these ones, your names are exactly written in the way that these ones are written. Copper mustn't be a small letter. If this one, if copper here, the okay, let me just see. Okay, oh, this is like if copper here is a small letter, you must change it so that it will be the same as this one. Make sure all the names that are here are the same as this one. Size and everything. You understand this?
So I have to change the first name to uppercase to lowercase.
Yeah, you must change it now. If you see this one is in the capital letter, it is called.
Yeah.
Then this one is a small letter now. So you must
Yes.
change it. You must change it to be capital letters. So all your names must be similar to
In
this.
capital letter. Okay.
Yeah. So if you see, okay, I don't wanna take a lot of time. Okay, let me just do like this. You come here and then you say lower. Oh, there is lower here. So say lower, lower. So okay, let me just do like this. Okay, no, this there's a problem with this. Let me just do in this side. Uh, just an example that I want to show you something. Okay. Mm, okay. Uh, oh, let me just do them like this. Mm, So here they are lower, all of them they are lowercase if you notice. Now I want to compare them with this one. Now let's say we want to compare here. It won't match up if let's say VLOOKUP and okay, this is my VLOOKUP value. No, let me start here. My lookup value. Okay, let me just then this is a table array. This is a column index number 3. Okay, okay. I don't know what's happening here. Okay, it is returning it in a right way, but to be
So
safe,
maybe we can try it later.
you can try it later. Yeah. Okay. Okay, yeah, let's just go to error. To error, we'll say function, and then we'll say lookup. I want to show you something here. Then we want to return the customer name. Okay, we will let's first highlight this one, table array, this one, then we want to return number. We
Mm.
want it to be an exact match. So you see, it's saying here NA. Why is it saying NA? Because if you notice here, US, the US 4556,
4556.
US 4556 is blamed, but there is DE 46, DE 4364. Do you see? It's 4364. Here
Yes.
46. So it doesn't give us the returning answer because it is not matching up exactly.
Yeah.
So that is a it's I'm trying to show you to make you see like a to be able to pay attention when you're doing your VLOOKUP so that you can also check if there's an NA, which means there's a problem. Then you have to check, or is it matching? If it's not matching, then maybe you can fix it. Let's fix it. You see now, it is
Yeah.
showing. Yeah, okay. So do you understand the VLOOKUPs? Maybe next time I'll do it and then you do it as like we did today. You'll do it as well.
Yeah, sure.
All right.
I understand it,
You
and I think I need to do it one time, then I will get it more
understand?
easy.
All right. So I'll share this file with you. So maybe
Yeah,
next time
sure.
when we starting, you're gonna start by showing me. This is like a homework to me.
Okay,
All right.
that would be nice.
So you happy about today's lessons? What did
Yeah,
you
yeah.
what did you learn today?
Sorry?
What did you learn today?
Today I have learned how to make a new table, how to do the visualization, how to make chart, how can I highlight them, how can I do the VLOOKUP, the file, how can I exert the value of the VLOOKUP files,
Hmm.
all of them.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah.
I'm happy if you learn all of those things. So, which means you are a good student.
No, I'm not a good student.
Yeah, no.
I just try to do it in easy way because I don't want to do hard work.
But
I'm a lazy student.
I like it that you ask questions. I really like that you also ask questions.
Yeah.
All right, no, then we'll arrange maybe to have a lesson again on Monday if it will be possible.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
All right, no, thank you. We'll communicate on the group.
Yeah. Do you know? Uh, I am too much concentrated in this lesson,
Oh,
but in my education, I never hear about never hear what my teacher are saying. I was just lost in my own world, and I never ask any question to my teacher. But here I ask you a lot of question because I don't know why, but the place I feel safe, I feel confident. I just ask question. I just like to learn more and more. But in the class or in another,
mm,
I
mm,
was just facing the low of confidence.
mm, mm, mm.
But
Um,
in the person, if I uh, go to like physical class or
mm,
something like that, then I get nervous.
mm. I'm happy to hear this. That's the reason we're doing tutorials.
Yeah. But
That's good.
I'm working with that I should I should ask question. I should be more engaged with my teacher
Mm,
and all of that. I'm improving myself to do this kind of thing so that I can reduce my nervousness and I can work with my progress.
yeah, that's good. Because if you are in tech, you're gonna have to be explaining things to the stakeholders and say, this is how we do things, this is how I did it. You need to have a presentation skill. You know.
Yeah.
So maybe when when we have advanced our lessons, when we got other new students, maybe some of the classes I'll ask you to do them for me, so that you can also be able to. Yeah, you must learn.
And then as a lazy person I will just show them one time and then I will ask them, do by yourself, then show me.
No, you need to explain and ask them, do you understand? Yeah, hey, yeah, I'm here. So your friend, I've been waiting for him to text me. I
Oh,
sent.
okay. He have exams. That's why he was just asking me that I cannot concentrate properly. So I think this is not the right time to start. So I will start a little bit later. So I
Oh,
just tell him, okay, it's your wish. But if you cannot concentrate and if you are not can focus on this course properly, then you shouldn't do this one. So that's why he just say that okay, I will do it later because he have educational exams and
oh,
he's in fourth semester. It's kind of important for him, so I just say do it, your educational one.
oh, no, I understand. I really understand. Yeah. I know if you have any people that you want them to join, you can just tell them to contact me.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, all right. I know. Oh no, okay, we'll talk another time.
yeah, yeah, sure. Thank you for your time.
I thank
Thank
you
you for
also.
teaching me with so much patience.
No, actually teaching is my passion. I really like
Yeah,
teaching.
yeah.
Yeah, all right. So see you then. Have a good day.
Okay, see you. Have a good day. Have a good weekend.
Okay, bye.
Bye.